We will learn how to sync Goodnotes from iPad to Windows. First, create an account on a cloud storage service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. This will act as a bridge between your iPad and your Windows computer. Now download and install the cloud storage app of your choice on your iPad from the App Store. After that, log into your account after installing the app. Then open Goodnotes on your iPad. Go to Settings and enable Cloud Sync by selecting your private cloud storage services. This will automatically upload your notes to the cloud storage. Next, download and install the cloud storage app on your Windows computer from the service's official website. Here, log in to the same account you use as your iPad. Now open the cloud storage app on your Windows PC and navigate to the folder where Goodnotes stores its files. You can now open or download your Goodnotes files directly to your Windows computer. If you make any changes, be sure to re-upload the updates files to keep everything in sync. Thanks for watching.